Hello, welcome to another episode of Phantom Bricks. Today we've got the flagship set from the Gabby's Dollhouse theme. It is Gabby's Dollhouse, set number 10788. It's a great modularized build that is perfect for young builders, so let's get to it. Hope you enjoyed that look at the Lego Gabby's Dollhouse, set number 10788. It's a fun build, great for young builders. It is available now. You can find it on our website at www.phantom-toys.com, or if we're out of stock, you can always find it at lego.com. Phantom Bricks is produced by Phantom Toys and Games. We are an online retailer of Lego products and an authorized dealer of Lego products, so you're guaranteed that every set that you buy from us is genuine and authentic. Until next time, happy building.